This looks like a very good place to get robbed. I would not want to be sleeping here, buddy. Now I'm gonna have to do a freaking U-turn right here. No through truck traffic. And there's a cop right there. Well, good morning, everybody. Here we go. Let's go get another load. This one picks up in Evansville, Indiana, and it is going to Kansas. Let me see where it's going. Kind of forgot. Lawrence, Kansas, just outside of Kansas City. This load is going to be double blind, which means the shipper doesn't know where it's going, receiver doesn't know where it's coming. Sometimes you'll just have a single blind, which will be either shipper doesn't know where the load is going, or the receiver doesn't know where the load is coming from. So sometimes you will have to stop at the truck stop and print a fake bill of lading. Well, it's not fake, it's what the broker sent you, but it's a different bill of lading than what you have originally that you pick up at the shipper. So this load that I pick up, it'll probably say different city, different state, different town, different company where it's going, but it's actually going to Lawrence, Kansas. So I'm gonna have to stop up here at Love's truck stop and get these printed off before I head into the pickup. Yes, sir. Alrighty, well, we got everything we need here, so let's head in for our pickup. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, dump your shit, bruh. Good job. Good job, Mexican guys. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, guys. Learn from these guys. They're all the way up here from Mexico and they're not littering. Okay, where is that? It says that load is coming from Los Angeles, California. So I guess I just don't have to tell the shipper where I'm going. And before I get to Lawrence, Kansas, I need to print this off so that the receiver thinks that the load is coming from Los Angeles. I'm loving this rain, to be honest with you, because he cleaned up my truck pretty good. Washed off all the salt and stuff. I was gonna wash it a couple of times, but I'm glad I didn't, because it would have just been a waste of money. Evansville, Indiana has made it really hard for truckers to get around because of so many no-through trucks roads. But this one right here, although it's very narrow, very fishy, it did not say no-through trucks. So here you go. This is, what is this? Waterworks Road. And we're gonna get up to about 2.3 miles on Ohio River Scenic Byway, Veterans Memorial Parkway. Oh shoot, damn. I cannot be on that parkway. Oh buddy. Well, let's go and see what happens. I don't understand why so many places are anti-truck drivers. It's really weird to me. Maybe I shouldn't have come this way, but it is what it is. We gotta try it. The place where I pick up is kind of like right there in the middle of Evansville, and you never know until you try. Well, I don't see no trucks left or right sign, so I guess we're gonna go left like we're supposed to. But I know there's a sign when you're coming up from or when you're coming down from 69, it says no through trucks on this parkway. But let's go down here, see what happens. Is that a no through truck sign down there? I think it is. I think I see one. Yeah, I think I see a couple no through trucks signs. Damn. What does it say? No through truck traffic. Oh well. And there's a cop right there. Well, I'm gonna have to do a freaking U-turn right here. Hold up, guys. Wait up. Wait up. Wait up, everybody. Yeah, you're being good and stay there, cop. All right. Well, he's not coming after me, even though I did a very illegal U-turn. But I'm gonna go straight and get on 41 north, and we'll go from there. We'll see what happens. Well, honestly, I think that local cop from Evansville, Indiana, that was sitting right there was pretty cool, in my opinion. He could have pulled me over for doing that U-turn right there, but I'm sure he understands. Since we cannot go up there, you see, if I had come down from that side up here, there would have been signs, not through trucks. But the way that I came from, there was any signs that says no trucks. But we're just gonna get up here on 41 north and go that way. I think I should be okay this way, but you never know, buddy. All right, well, looks like we're good to be on this road. This is 41 north going through Evansville, Indiana, and from this road we're gonna get on Indiana 62 West, or Lloyd Expressway is what it's called, for a couple miles, and then we gotta get on side streets, see how that goes. Alrighty, looks like we got another Peterbilt going down this way, so we're just gonna follow him. I'm sure he knows what he's doing better than me. I'm just a rookie. Alright, get her done. I think last time I was here in Evansville was back in July or August of 2002, I think. I came all the way from Fulton, Missouri with empty trailers to pick up some empty rotators from Dollar General stores here. Oh man, I miss Dollar General. That job was so freaking good. He paid a lot of money and I was home every night, which you can't beat. I mean, that's why I'm driving this truck. It is thanks to Dollar General. That's why I live in the house where I live. It is thanks to Dollar General and of course my hard work. But mostly it's thanks to Dollar General. You can work as hard as you want. If you don't get paid good, you have nothing from it. But yeah, buddy. Thank you, Dollar General. But please come back to me, baby. I miss you. please. All right, well, it didn't say no trucks on this exit. Let's see what it says on this road as I try to make a right turn. And it also doesn't have any signs that says no trucks. So we are going to go. We gotta go up this way. I probably shouldn't be on this street, but I have no choice. And there's no any kind of signs saying no trucks. So let's see. Kind of zigzagging all over the place. This is the building that I need, the one on my right over here. It really does look abandoned. Wow. This is freaking crazy, man. Look at all this junk around here. Huh. What the fuck is going on? Oh, that's right. Yeah, it is this place. Looks like the street, it dead ends like right into a freaking docks. So let's see what happens. Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Here to pick up?
Front packaging?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm here to pick up. I got a pickup number 39468. All right. Well, I'm gonna go in that door right there. But let's go down here and blow out the trailer first. I'm just gonna blow it out in parking lot. He said it's okay because there's what do you call it? It's trash over there anyway. So yeah, buddy. All right, so I was supposed to come in through that gate right there, but instead I came in from all the way up there in that corner. That dock over there on the right is where I'm going. But I am glad I came back the other way, because where would I turn around if I came that way? It would be really hard to back in. Yeah, buddy. So this is the way I came in. Ooh, buddy. I'm glad there's no building here anymore. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to make it. Look at all this freaking garbage. This looks like it used to be bathroom. Look at that. Everybody's dumping their trash all over the place. These people here are worse than freaking truck drivers. And I would not want to be sleeping here overnight, buddy. This looks like a very good place to get robbed. I would not want to be sleeping here, buddy. No, sir. No freaking way. Well, the guy I checked in with came out and said before I back it in, can I wait about 30 minutes because he's just getting the load ready, but it looks like it's going to be another load of used cardboard, which I do not mind at all, to be honest with you. It is not heavy. It is not heavy as new cardboard. New cardboard can be pretty freaking heavy once it's double stacked. I tell you what, this was totally by accident, but I am so glad I came around the building instead of coming in this way, the way that I'm backing in right now, because there was a couple trucks that got here and they were really struggling. I moved out of the way. Well, it was time for me to hit the dock too for that guy, He was trying to do a U-turn up here. I'm like, you can't do a freaking U-turn up here, buddy. So I moved out. I went down straight to where that car is coming from. I told him to back it, to go in here, back it up over there to the right, then go down towards the exit and back it up just like I'm backing it up right now. That's the easiest way. I know it's a lot of moves, you know, back and forth, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Not a man bun, it's a sissy bun. That's what it is. You're a sissy boy, buddy. Alrighty, let's shut this door and slide the tandems.
This needs to go on this last pallet, maybe up there.
Okay.
It's sticky. And I'm waiting for them to send me a revised bill because we had 21 skids and 20 like they wanted in the first place.
We'll just put it right there where they can see it. Alright, alright. Okay, so these people here think that the load is going to Los Angeles and the other people think that the load is coming from Los Angeles. Very sneaky way. I don't know why they do that, to be honest with you, but I am sure it's all about the money. Well, we're gonna slide our tandems all the way forward until we get out of the city, so that way we can turn the streets easier. Alrighty, well, here we go. Let's see how we get out of here now. But this bill of lading number, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it right here because of this stupid school bus. I should be okay. But anyway, this bill of lading number has 8 zeros followed by a 6-digit number. A lot of people don't put in the whole number. Like, for example, they don't put in zeros on their logbooks. Well, I do, because if the cop wants to be a jackass, he can write you up for that, for having like incomplete bill of lading number. Holy moly. It's like we got a grain truck or grain trailer that rolled over. Whoa. Whoa, it looks like he just swung off the freaking truck somehow. Like, how does that even happen? Trailer rolled off in the median. truck did not roll with the trailer, and it's pulled over on the right shoulder. That is very interesting. Looks like the only thing that was damaged on his truck was a fender on his back wheels. Very interesting. Well, I'm glad it didn't roll over with the trailer, because that could have been bad, very bad. Make sure you check the fifth wheel every time you stop. Hey.
Okay, give me just 1 second.
Okay.
You're in the right place. I'm just gonna send you to the other side of the building. They'll take your paperwork over there.
Okay. Well, go on, cocksucker. Maybe you should watch where you're going when you're backing up, you dumb fuck. But anyway, that guy in shipping office was pretty nice. I was starting to get annoyed a little bit because I've been standing there for about 10 minutes ringing the bell and nobody was coming out, but it looks like he went to McDonald's, which I totally understand. I'm a fat fuck too. But anyway, we gotta go up that way. I don't know how we're gonna, well, I can squeeze by that cocksucker up there, delivering propane or whatever, so yes sir. Alrighty, well, the guy said go up here and hang out for a minute until they clear out some doors. And this is a cardboard, but it's the stuff called Gaylords. Gaylords. Lords of Gay. Wow. I wonder who named these things like that. But hey. Alright. Get her done. Oh, this is gonna be a tight backing. Ooh, buddy. We're gonna have a lot of fun here. I think I should be okay. It looks like there's a lot of space between the trailers. But if I cannot do it, I am not embarrassed to ask this guy to do it for me. Why would I be? Don't ever be embarrassed, guys. If you cannot back it in, ask another driver to help you. Ask some of these yard jockeys. A lot of them are bad, but some of them are good. This guy seems like he's good because he asked me if I'm getting a door over there. He was backing in a trailer and he was like, did he give you this door? I was like, no. He told me to go around the building. So he said, okay. Yes, sir. Here we have a yard jockey. I think he's about to yell at that guy because he's not understanding what he wants him to do. He's right there where he is. He's blocking. You can't back the trailer in right there. All right, get her done. And he's still blocking the guy. Come on, dude, just pull forward, man. I know it's tight here, but oh well, it is what it is, buddy. You live and learn. I don't feel bad for the guy because he had a man bun. Man buns annoy me. It is not a man bun, it is a sissy bun. That's what I call it. You see where this guy's backing it in? There's no way he would have been able to back it in ever if that guy didn't move. But yeah, buddy. Alrighty, well, we are done. Thank you everybody for watching and following along on yet another load. I appreciate you guys, appreciate everybody for subscribing, commenting. And you guys have a great day.